How to remove FastSupport virus and malware. Cybercriminals and malicious scammers often find ways to disguise their schemes as legitimate and trustworthy. A great example of this is the FastSupport malware. The real application is completely legitimate, distributed by LogMeln Inc. and uses the GoToAssist toolset to provide remote support for customers. While the app itself is often used by technicians to help those in need of IT support, scammers and malware developers have been hijacking it and created dangerous infections. Giving remote access to the wrong person may result in your data getting stolen, and in some scenarios, they may scam you out of your money too. So, what can you do to remove FastSupport malware and avoid scams using the software? Watch this video to find out. The website FastSupport.com is completely legitimate and is used by professionals to connect to your computer and provide remote support. However, it has its own dangers, as malicious users often try to connect your device to steal your information or pull off a tech support scam. These scammers usually pose as technicians from large companies such as Microsoft or Amazon and carry out various scams. Some examples are refund scams, antivirus scams, and order cancellation scams. Beyond using the legitimate software to scam unsuspecting users, hackers also may create a fake FastSupport website and make you download malware. Unfortunately, malicious individuals are able to create near-perfect clones of legitimate websites and trick you into downloading shady software or enter sensitive data. How to remove FastSupport.com malware. Step 1. Turn off notifications in Chrome. I've left a link in the description of the video. Copy it and paste it in your address bar. Check your allowed notifications. If you see anything out of the ordinary, click on the More Actions icon displayed by the three dots arranged vertically and choose Block. As you see now, the notifications from this site are blocked. You can also reset the permissions to be certain that you won't be receiving any notifications that you don't want. Step 2. Remove suspicious extensions from Google Chrome. Okay, the first thing you have to do is open Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome, click on the More icon displayed by the three dots arranged vertically and choose More Tools and then Extensions. Click on it. See if you notice any suspicious extensions. To uninstall any extensions you don't want to keep on your device, click the Remove button. Step 3. Run an antivirus scan. Launch your antivirus application, select the scan option and then click on the Start button to start a malware scan on your device. Wait for your antivirus to finish scanning your PC for malware. If any malicious files are found, you can immediately neutralize them by allowing the software to put them in quarantine. Optionally, allow the applications to delete the malicious files from your PC. In my case, my antivirus says that they found 3 advanced issues, but these are not virus, so I'm not concerned about it. That was all regarding to the antivirus. But how to avoid falling for FastSupport scams? Well, first, always check the website URL. Safe and legitimate websites will always have the correct URL. Many scammers try to exploit popular websites by creating clones that look identical except for one small difference in the URL, so be very cautious about it. Don't click on pop-up messages. Legitimate companies such as Microsoft and Amazon will never use pop-up messages to alert you about viruses and refunds. Their pop-ups also don't include phone numbers to call, as the numbers are readily available on the real support website. Avoid suspicious phone calls. Legitimate companies such as Microsoft and Amazon will never contact you on the phone unless you arrange a call yourself. If someone is calling you and tells you that something is wrong with your computer, hang up immediately, unless the call was scheduled prior. Don't allow notifications from shady websites. Websites often try to force notifications on you in order to access pages. This is most common on link shorteners, torrent websites, and other sources for cracked, pirated, and illegal software. Even if you want to download something, never allow notifications from these sites. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. As I always say, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To see more videos like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.